Hello everyone, welcome to the day 24 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. We have been adding a lot of things trying to replicate Twitter, but without adding our own photo in social media app, it does not feel personal, isn't it? And that's why today let's figure out how do we allow the users to update their profile picture and along with it also cover image. Let's get started. To be able to add profile image and cover image, let's move this maybe this side. Let's move this on this side. Now you know why grouping is so important, right? So let's expand this. Likewise, let's expand this. And let's add picture uploader, right, which is meant for profile picture. Upload your profile picture, and let's do a similar one for cover image. Now let me put this above. Let's move this above and let's expand this further. Now cover image are generally with this, let's say 600. Okay, 600 is too much. Let's make it 450. Yep. And here we need to display that. So let's expand. Here we want to add image. So let's drag and drop. This is the image. So insert dynamic data, current page users. Yep, we have not added the profile image and cover image in the database. So let's go ahead and add that. Let's go to data and let's add file pic, which is of type image. Likewise, let's add cover image, which is also of type image. And now I can say this is linked to profile pic. Okay, likewise. So let's make this smaller. Okay, this is now 150 by 150. So let's make this as 150. Keep the aspect ratio fixed, right? And this could be 450, right, is to 150. Okay, and this can be not profile picture but cover image. And now one last step. When we click on save, we are not just updating these details, but we also have two more details. So click on add all fields. Cover images, picture uploader, upload your cover image, and this is profile pic. So picture uploader, upload your profile's value. Okay, rest everything is already taken care of. Let's see if this already works. So I click on edit profile. This one comes up. Let me add a handsome me photo. Yes, this is me years back. So upload your cover image. Let's add this one. Okay, click on save. There you go. This was very simple, isn't it? Now your users can update their profile photo, cover image, so that the profile page looks more personal. In tomorrow's video, we will cover how to open the tweet and the comments in a separate page so that you can see all of it together on the page and not on the pop-up like we had seen before. But if you don't share your journey on social platforms, how are you going to get your users? How are you going to share your journey? How are you going to inspire others? So do not stop sharing, do not stop inspiring, because your one share could change the life for someone else. So please do that. Thank you for continuing your journey with us. See you in the next one.